So this is a part 2 video to the first one where I'm talking about going over the canister. Now I'm going to be going over the brush and the bottom assembly of the Dyson Animal Vacuum. So it's always good to check the primary filter that you have on this outside of the canister, you know, the filter for the motor. You spin this sucker off, that comes out very easily. And this one has a little notch where you can just turn it out. That comes off, and you can inspect and clean that, and it gives you directions on the inside on how to clean it. So now we're going to work on removing the actual brush themselves. So you can flip that on the back side here. There's going to be a colored clip. Yep, this gray clip right here that you can actually remove to come down, that is pressured on. That allows you to now completely remove the top head. So if you have like obstruction of flow and stuff like that, you can actually remove the bottom half of this with a small screwdriver. Remove the screw. If I had a big enough screwdriver. Which is fine. You can see it from the inside here. You can actually look in it and see that there's no obstructions. But check in here if you have loss of suction when you actually go into vacuum mode. Because usually when this thing clocks down, it is now connected to the primary versus just your hose attachment. So when it's upright, you can look in here to see, check for blockage. So now you look on the bottom side of here, you can see there's a lot of hair just from regular use, which, you know, they make it easy for removing that with this, you know, pressure clip slide to pop that off to give you access, better access to your blades right here, to where you can just come out and just pull out all the hair, get all that stuff cleaned up, get it out of there. You know, get this in here, clean out some of the stuff that you've sucked up through there. Probably use a pair of scissors, a X-Acto knife, cut it away and just pull it out. So once you can get most of that cleaned out, I mean, I'll make it more fancy later on. I just want to keep this video short for tutorial purposes only. So I can look through in here, see that there's no obstructions from the suctions. You know, it's all good. Screwdriver comes out. Actually, slap this puppy right back on. Back together. And like I said before, with this piece, you just get something long, stick it in there, and just look in here for the blockage, because that blockage is only going to be from this point to this point. So if you're losing suction from the main head itself, that's a small hose right here. That's the only part that'll be clogged. So be mindful. So when you go into that mode, you'll see this piece right here. This piece is what switches. So right now I can activate the head itself while it's still in the up position because I've messed with this lever. So tool, main head. You can manually up switch it yourself. That is the actual activation of the two pieces. So that should be the second part. If you have any questions regarding the second half, I do have a primary video that talks about cleaning the main canister itself. Alright, hope this helps, and thank you.